leading companies never stop innovating. Here at YJ Link, we have always taken a step further to lead SMT automation process technology in the rapidly changing global environment. And it is these steps that drive our relentless evolution and growth. Now, based on its unparalleled technology, YJ Link is creating a new future by providing unique value to clients worldwide. YJ Link has established production bases in Vietnam and Mexico and plans to expand further into India and Europe. Through localized production, the company aims to shorten lead times, stabilize its supply chain, and strengthen localized sales and service networks. Established in May 2019 in Haiphong, Vietnam, the production subsidiary has enhanced departmental expertise through detailed and systematic process management, achieving faster production and significantly improved delivery times. In addition to its strong manufacturing capabilities, it is capable of developing its own OEM equipment and producing customized machinery, establishing itself as a key global manufacturing hub. In August 2025, a new production subsidiary was founded in Guadalajara, Mexico, marking the start of full-scale operations to serve as a core manufacturing base for the North and Latin American markets. Built on a localized production system, the Mexican site integrates advanced infrastructure that includes both manufacturing facilities and logistics centers. With the ability to handle the entire production process in-house, YJ Link ensures faster delivery and reliable technical support. YJ Link is paving the way to implement the Smart Factory system in order to achieve a successful manufacturing innovation for the fourth industrial revolution. YJ Link is developing and manufacturing board handling equipment such as loader, unloader, conveyor, buffer series. YJ Link's board handling equipment has rapidly evolved to the demands and changes of the SMT market and is the key to enabling the best SMT line at an efficient cost. The laser marking machine is one of YJ Link's representative equipment products, and it marks barcodes and letters on PCB. Its precise marking performance, high productivity, and user convenience is recognized around the world, showing continuous export growth. The router is an equipment that cuts the mounted PCBs into individual modules using spindle bit. Clients can maximize productivity by choosing the most suitable option out of 4 models with different specifications. The Vision Buffer links with the AOI to receive PCB defect information and automatically moves to the defection point, providing a real-time photo image and helping the operator make an accurate judgment. Amidst the rapid changes of the fourth industrial revolution, YJ Link is always moving a step further in the smart factory category, leading the evolution of SMT process. Moving at a more agile speed than the market, thinking in a more innovative way than the consumer expectation, YJ Link is building its competitiveness in the global market based on its bold and continuous investment in R&D. Perfection begins with small details. We are always looking to create new values through technologies that did not exist before. We are continuously asking new questions to create a new paradigm that shifts the market. As much as our previous challenges have led the way to a new future, we will face our bigger challenges to come without fear. Link the world. YJ Link.